Welcome to the vlog. We're still in Barcelona. It's very sunny and beautiful. And we're on our way to Güell. It's a very touristy place, so I hope it's not gonna be too packed. And it's another vlog in Barcelona, guys. Okay, honestly, I don't like touristy places, so it's always coming with a little bit of a, bitter taste when you visit those high touristy spots. We just had the best and most amazing long lunch. We went to Roots&Rolls, which is a completely vegan sushi restaurant, and it was so delicious that we literally ate more than we planned for, and also had amazing dessert. So I highly recommend it. If you're ever in Barcelona, check this out. Kind of like by accident, we splitted our daily tours to be not all packed. So for example, yesterday we went to Güell, and today we're visiting the Sagrada Familia, although it is recommended to do both at the same day. But it's actually quite chill because tourists can be overwhelming, and yesterday we were just like, we need some room to breathe and space, so we have the energy again to be in a touristy place today. I just highly recommend splitting it up, enjoying the city, because if you pack everything with touristy stuff, you will only get the touristy stuff, of course. And if you have time to walk around and see other things, then you will get special spots and cool architecture and like the real Spanish vibes, which is amazing and very cool to see. I feel more comfortable with more locals and not so many touristy places. I think I said it like a couple of times, but of course there are some places that are just packed with tourists and still worth seeing, like the Sagrada Familia. So definitely check this out, but take some time off for just wandering around the city, because it has very cool corners, and whichever way you turn you can find something new to experience, and that's really cool. Looks completely normal, and then you turn around and it's all packed. And we both don't have a lot of space here, but we managed, and we only have a 5-hour drive ahead of us. Yeah, we're leaving Barcelona. We're going more to the south, to Calp, I think is the next biggest city. So I'll see you there. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and like this video if you liked it. Bye!